Good evening, Code Simplifier tribes. Behz is here with another video of how to build a single web page using HTML and CSS. In previous video, I walked you through the process of what we are going to build. And in this video, we are going to focus on typography and we are going to define a font for our web page. Let's walk through what we're gonna do today. So technically, you see the font we use within this web page is a font outfit, which is a Google font. And I will walk you through it, how to download that font from Google, how to use it within your web pages, and we are going to test our work to see how does it look like to using that fit. That is all we are going to do today, so stay tuned. Before we going on and start our work, I want to bring to your attention is we are going to use VS Code or Visual Studio Code as our text editor for this course. And if you already do not have the VS Code on your system, simply go to Google, search for download VS Code, and you go to Visual Studio, which is from Microsoft, and you download the free version based on your system, either is a Windows or Mac or Linux. Once you've installed VS Code, there is one more thing we need to do, and that is installing the live server. Live server is basically a lightweight server to run your code so you can see your result of the work immediately. Go to the extensions. And that is an extension you are going to install. Install that one, and we're coming back here. You go into files, and we are going to open the folder. So the folder, it could be anything. You can define your folder on your desktop, as simple as could be. And once you select the folder, make sure it is an empty folder. It is an empty folder to just avoid any confusion in the future. Here is initially going to create a file here, and we name it home.html. Start the work. So if you have using the Windows, press the Shift and number 1 exclamation mark. Click tab, and that will give you the boil maker of creating the initial code for you. So we name this one as home, save. You just right click in any environment and click on open with live server. Once you click on open live server, that uses your default browser to show the page. As you can see here, our page loaded successfully and we can see the result of our work. Next step is go to Google, and we are going to search for Google Fonts. Open up the Google Fonts. The section you are looking for outfit. Here is the code. Get the font. Get the embedded code. We are going to use the link, copy code, and we are going back to our VS Code. Below the title, I just write a comment, start dash fonts. This is just my habit to keep everything organized and contained. So you go here, then we paste the code and save. To test the result, within the body, we are going to put a h1, hello learner, save, and we are going to write a comment as lorem 5 characters, tab, and a save. Going back to the page, our home page, here is our header and our paragraph. Our test result font does not look like what we initially aimed for, and we can verify that. So click on inspect, and this is the inspection window. Go to fonts, and this is the font has been used. Our aim is outfit, and in the next step, that is where we want to fix that problem. Back in our VS Code, we use the second folder, creating a new folder. We name it as styles, and within that folder we create another file. We name it as style.css, enter. And you can use the split editor right to work in parallel to see what you're doing. So you minimize this one because we need to connect the HTML to this file. So we come below the title again. Here we are using link tab. The relationship should be in the style sheet. Ensure you're using the right relationship. The href, which stands for hyperlink reference, we are going to basically aim where the file has been located, and that has been under our styles folder, and the name of it is styles. We save the work. To ensure everything has been done correctly, just type body, and we are going to test everything has been implemented correctly. So I'm targeting body, which is this one, this element, the background color to be light blue. To verify that one, going back to our page, and you see the color has been changed. That means we are on the right track. Next, we done this. We type down the font family, and here I'm going to type down outfit because we want outfit to be our default font style. These are our fallback fonts. Basically, if the outfit is not available, is not supported by your web browser, these are the fonts that the web browser is going to use. To verify everything has been done successfully, refresh the screen, inspect the item. I'm selecting the H1, which is our header, and you see the font family is outfit. The font has been outfit. And that will bring us to the end of this video. And I'm just going to recap what we have done. We installed the VS Code as our text editor. We installed the live server, which that is a lightweight server to run our code. They see the result immediately. We downloaded the Google Font outfit, implemented it in our web page, and we created a style sheet, defined it, and we defined our font family, and we could verify it by evaluating our work. That's a wrap up for today, and in the next video we are going to work on the next section of our videos. As per usual, if you have any questions or any part of this video wasn't clear enough to you, please don't hesitate to write your question or queries in the comment section below, and I'll respond to them as quick as I can. Thanks for your time for watching. I will see you in next video.